Today's Quranic word of the day is Jannah. Jannah is used to refer to paradise, but actually means garden. Jannah comes from the verb Jannah, which means to cover. A garden is called Jannah because it is covered by the leaves of its trees. Paradise is called Jannah because it is covered from us and we won't be able to see it until we enter Jannah inshaAllah. Some people obsess over their Jannah on this earth, like the man in Surah Al-Kahf or the people in Surah Al-Qalam, who only wanted to increase their wealth and property without thanking Allah or helping those less fortunate than them. But as believers, our focus should be on the Jannah in the hereafter. So strive to earn your place in Jannah and make dua. We all hear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say those beautiful words, وَادْخُلِي جَنَّتِي, and enter my paradise. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you've benefited from this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the notification button so that you don't miss out on any new content inshallah.